To a TVJ News update now, a political showdown is unfolding this evening between the government and opposition over the impending increase in toll rates. Sandy Williams explains.
The government has announced another increase in toll rates, and at the same time, the Minister of Transport is trying to blame the People's National Party for the tolling formula that is simply not supported by the facts.
That sharp criticism from opposition spokesperson on Land and Works, Lothan Cousins, as the country reacts to the recently published proposed toll hike for the North-South Highway. The increase forms part of contractual obligations. Mr. Cousins argues the foundation for those agreements predates the former PNP administration, challenging claims about who is responsible for the tolling structure.
The historical record is clear. The key agreements that established the framework for the North-South Highway project were negotiated and signed under the Jamaica Labour Party administration in 2011. While a restated agreement was signed in 2012, that was a mere formality. It was based on contractual arrangements that already existed before the People's National Party took office. It is therefore misleading for anyone to suggest that the tolling formula originated under the People's National Party administration.
Transport Minister Darrell Vaz has issued a terse response.
Once again, the PNP is being completely disingenuous. I understand that Mr. Cousins just got the little work a few days ago as shadow spokesperson, so we neither have the time or the documentation to properly review.
Mr. Vaz also pointed to what he says is clear responsibility.
The Labour Party lost office in 2011, December. This was signed 6 months later, in June 2012, which would have given them sufficient time, wherever the discussions had reached, to quote and put together a proper final contract for signing, which the onus was on them to do.
A binding deal with the toll authority stands at the center of it all, a contract that locks in periodic increases tied to inflation, which means that no matter who sits in power, the rates go up. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.